Did you know a little boy sat in a police evidence room for 65 years and nobody knew his name? In February 1957, a man walking through Fox Chase in Philadelphia spotted a cardboard box on the side of the road. Inside was a small boy, maybe 4 or 5 years old, wrapped carefully in a flannel blanket. No missing persons report matched him. No family ever came forward. Police called him America's unknown child, and that name stayed with him for longer than most people stay in a career. Investigators tried everything. Sketches, dental records, national coverage. Nothing worked. He became one of the most famous cold cases in American country, a ghost with a face but no story. Then in 2023, forensic genealogy finally broke through. DNA traced him to a family in Philadelphia. His name was Joseph Augustus Zarelli, but the answer raised something worse than the question. Because the people who should have reported him missing never did. Someone knew exactly where he was. Some children get forgotten on purpose.